my name is Navia Syaratul Taskia, student ID 24005121489. In this video, I will present a paper review for the course Information System Security. The paper that I review is titled Risk Assessment and Risk Management Review of Recent Advance of Definition by Third Event. In this presentation, I will explain the main concept, findings, and relevance of the paper in the context of information system security. Okay, next, introduction. This is an essential part of every decision-making process, and especially in modern systems such as information technology, business, and security. Every organization focuses on certainty when making decisions, and this uncertainty can lead to negative consequences such as system failure, financial loss, or data breach. The file of risk assessment and risk management has developed significantly over the past 30 to 40 years and is now widely used in various sectors. This paper discusses how the concept of risk has evolved and how modern approaches improve decision making. Next, purpose of the paper. The main purpose of this paper is to review recent advances in the field of risk assessment and risk management. The author focus on fundamental concepts such as how risk is defined, how accountability is treated, and how risk management strategies are applied. In addition, the paper also details challenges such as with uncertainty, unexpected event, and the need for better decision-making frameworks. The review helps users understand how risk management continues to evolve in complex systems. Okay, next. What is risk? According to this paper, this is not only about negative event, but also about uncertainty and consequence. This always relates to future activity or even where we don't know exactly what will happen. For example, information system risk could be a cyber attack, but the uncertainty lies in when it will happen, how severe it will be, and what impacts it will cause. Therefore, risk is defined as a combination of possible consequence and the uncertainty resulting them. Okay, next. Risk definition. The paper provides several definitions of risk to show defense perspective. Risk can be seen as the possibility of unwanted events such as system failure. It can also be defined as uncertainty about consequence, meaning we are unsure about the outcome of a situation. Another definition is definition from excited Russell. For example, when a system does not perform as planned. These different definition highlight that risk is a complex concept and cannot be described using only one perspective. Okay, next, Rice metrics. To visualize different metrics are used depending on the situation. The most common metric is probability. White so who likely an event will occur. Another metric is expected loss, which estimation the potential damage or impact. Scenario analysis is also used where different probabilities even are analyzed along with their consequence. However, the paper it emphasized that no single metric can fully receive rights. So multi-type proofs are alternate. Okay, next. Uncertainty in rights. Uncertainty is a central concept in rights assessment. The paper explained two main types of uncertainty. The first is illusory uncertainty, which comes from randoms, such as unpredictable system behavior. The second is epistemic uncertainty, which come from lacks of knowledge, such as unknown pulverization is a system. Understanding those two types is important because the require different approach is analysis and decision making. Okay, next. Probability versus methods. Probability is the most commonly used method to represent uncertainty. However, the paper explained that probability is not always sufficient, especially when knowledge is limited. In such case, alternative approaches like interval probability or possibility theory can be used. These methods allow analysts to present uncertainty realistically when precise data is not available. This is very relevant in cybersecurity where new threats are constantly emerging. Okay, next. Risk management process. First, risks are identified by analyzing potential threats or failures. Second, risks are analyzed to understand their cause and consequence. Third, risks are evaluated to determine their significance. Finally, risk treatment is applied such as recursion, avoiding or favoring the rise. This success process helps organization manage risk systematically. Okay, next. Okay, next is management strategies. The paper introduced here 9 strategies for managing risk. The first is risk information strategies, which use data and analysis to support decision. The second is pre-concerted strategy, which focus on preference harm even when there is uncertainty. The third is discursive strategy, which involves communication and stakeholder participation. Combination the strategies allow for more even effective and balanced definition making. Okay, next. Precautionary principle. The precautionary principle suggests that action shall be taken even if there is no complete consistent evidence. This is important when potential consequences are severe or irreversible. For example, an information security organization might implement strong security measures even if the exact threat is not fully known. This principle emphasizes preference rather than reaction. Okay, next. Robustness. Robustness refers to the ability of a system to perform well under uncertain conditions. A robust system can continue operating even when unexpected events occur. In information system, this called in having backup system, strong infrastructure, and reliable security mechanism. The goal of robustness is to reduce the impact of uncertainty on system performance. Okay, next. Resilience. Resilience is closely related to robustness but focus more on recovery and adaptation. A resilient system can respond to disruption, records quickly, and learn from experience. For example, after a cyber attack, a resilient system can restart operation and improve its defense. This concept is very important in modern cybersecurity strategies. Okay, next. Deep uncertainty. Deep uncertainty occurs when we don't know the possible outcomes. Probabilities are even the correct models to use. This situation is common in complex systems such as global networks or emerging technologies. In such cases, traditional risk analysis methods are not sufficient. Therefore, adaptive and flexible strategies are required to handle uncertainty effectively. Okay, next. Flicks when event. Flicks when event are rare, unstable, and have a very high impact. Examples include major cyber attacks, stock collapse, or global crisis. These events are difficult to predict using traditional methods. Therefore, organization must be prepared by building a silent and adaptive system. Okay, next. Importance in information security. This paper is highly relevant to information system security. Risk assessment helps identify potential cyber threats and vulnerabilities. Risk management helps organization develop strategies to prevent attacks and reduce impact. Concepts like uncertainty, resilience, and robustness are essential in precision modern digital systems. Therefore, understanding risk is critical for cybersecurity professionals. Finance. Conclusion. In conclusion, risk is a combination of uncertainty and consequence. The paper saw that risk assessment and management have evolved significantly and now include more advanced concepts such as resilience and the uncertainty. Effective, effective risk management requires multi-type approach and careful decision making. These concepts are especially important in information system security, where risks are complex and constantly changing. Okay, next. In conclusion, this paper saw that risk assessment and risk management are essential tools for dealing with uncertainty in modern systems. The development of concepts such as uncertainty, robustness, and resilience provides a more comprehensive approach to managing risk. These concepts are highly relevant, especially in the field of information system security, where threats are constantly evolving and difficult to predict. Therefore, understanding and applying proper risk management strategies is very important for making better and safer decisions. Okay, thank you for attention, guys.